Hi, welcome back. This is Rakesh Naik. Today we are going to discuss about few more examples on Turing machine. But before we start, a small information I like to share. In this channel, we produce every video in two different languages. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, kindly follow the link given in the description. And if you have not yet subscribed, please press the subscribe button followed by the bell icon so that you will get regular updates from this channel. So, let's start. Now today's first example is, we are going to design a Turing machine over input symbol 0 and 1 so that it will multiply two numbers. Now how generally we multiply? Let us say m equal to 3 and n equal to 2. When we multiply, we get 6. Now instead of that, the other way of doing is, we want to add m times. It means 2 plus 2 plus 2, I'll get 6. So while writing it in the Turing machine, for 3, we'll write 3 ones. For 2, I write 2 ones. It means for the first one, I'll write 2 ones. For the second one, I'll write these 2 once more. And for the third one, I'll write these 2 once more. So I'll get 6 in this way. Let us try to implement this using Turing machine. Now let us say I'm having a tape. In that I'm having 2 ones, that is 2. Then 0 indicates multiplication. And then 3 ones. And this 0 indicates equal to. The Turing machine tape head is pointing to 1. I'm at state Q0. So whenever I'll get a 1, I'll write blank onto it and I'll start moving right. I'll reach at state Q1 and I'll get input symbol 1. So now as many ones I'll get, I'll be writing the same 1 onto the tape and start moving right. I'll be remaining there in state Q1. Now I got a 0. Instead of 0, I'll write same 0 and I'll move towards its right. I'll be coming to state Q2. At state Q2, I'm getting these 3 symbols. Out of these 3 symbols, I'm getting the first symbol now. So what we have judged is, for this particular one, I need to write these 3 ones once, and for this one, these 3 ones once more I need to write. So in place of this one, I'll be writing X and I'll be start moving right. My tape head will be pointing to 1. Now as many 1 appears, I'll be writing 1 onto the tape, and as many 0 appears after that, I'll be writing 0 onto the tape. Now the next symbol that I'm getting is a 0. I'll be writing 0 there and move towards its right. Now the input symbol that I'm getting is blank and I'm at state Q3. So I'll be writing 1 in place of blank and start moving left. I'll be moving left as long as I'm not getting the symbol X. So the first symbol that I got is 0. I wrote 0 there, moved left. The next symbol is again 1. I wrote 1 there and moved left. The next symbol is again a 1. I have written 1 there and moved left. The next symbol that I am getting is a X. So I am at state Q4. I am getting X. So what I'll do? I'll write X onto it and I'll be moving right. Now I am at state Q2. I got input symbol 1. The same thing I am going to repeat till any number of ones left out here. Now in place of this one, I have written X. I moved right. The next symbol is 1. I have written 1 onto the tape. Moved right. The next symbol is 0. I have written 0 onto the tape and moved right. The next symbol is again a 1. I have written 1 onto it and now I moved right. The next symbol I am getting is a blank. I am at state Q3. On getting blank, I'll be writing 1 onto the tape and moving left. And I'm at state Q4. The same thing I'm going to do. As long as I'm not getting a X, I'll be writing the same symbol that whatever I'm getting from the tape onto the tape. The next symbol that I'm getting is a 1. I have written 1 onto it and moved left. Now I got input symbol X and I'm at state Q4. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to write X onto it and move right towards it. Now I'm at state Q2. Again my input symbol I got as 1. So what I need to do? I need to repeat the same thing. So I'll be writing X onto it. I'll be reaching state Q3. I am writing 0 onto it. I am still there in state Q3. The next symbol I am getting is 1. I am writing 1 onto the tape. Moving right. The next symbol is again a 1. I am writing 1 onto it. Moving right till I get a blank. Now I got a blank. I wrote 1 in place of blank and move left. Now I am at state Q4. As many zeros or ones I will be getting here, the same symbol I will be keep on writing onto the tape and I will keep on moving left. As long as I am not getting the input symbol X. The next symbol that I am getting is 0. So in place of 0 I am writing the same symbol 0. Moved left. Now I am at state Q4. I got input symbol X. So what I'll do? I'll write X onto it and start moving right. Now the input symbol I got is 0 and I'm at state Q2. Look at this path. This path is defined for 1 when I'm at state Q2. But for 0 I have not defined. When I got a 0, I'll write 0 onto it and then move left. What is the meaning of that? The second operand of this multiplication, I have visited all the digits in it and I have replicated it here. So what I need to do here is I need to revert it back to ones so that I can do the same process for the second one. Here I am having. So the next symbol that I am getting is X. I am at state Q5. Now as many X I will be getting, I will be writing 1 in place of that. The first one I have replaced with 1. I got one more X. I have written 1 onto it. The next symbol is again AX. I have written 1 onto it. Now I am getting a input symbol 0. So when I am getting 0 also, I will be writing 0 onto it and I will move left. The next input symbol is 1. So in place of 1, I will write 1 and move left. How long I will be moving left? Till I get a blank. When I am getting a blank, I will be writing blank onto it and move right. Now I am at state Q0 and the input symbol that I am getting is 1. So for this one also, these steps I need to repeat. So let us do it little faster. So the first symbol is blank. I wrote blank, then move right. I am at state Q1. As many ones I will be getting, I will be repeating, but in this case I got a 0. I wrote 0 onto it and move right. I am at state Q2. I am getting a 1. In place of 1, I am writing X. I am moving right. I am at state Q3. If at all any zeros or ones I will be getting, I will be keep on writing the same symbol and keep on moving till I get a blank symbol. So next symbol I am getting is also a 1. The next symbol I am getting is a 0. So I will write 0 onto it. Next symbol that I am getting is 1. I will write 1 onto it. Then next symbol is again a 1. I will move right by writing 1. The next symbol is again a 1. I will be writing 1 onto it and moving right. The next input symbol I am getting is a blank. So whenever I will be getting a blank, I will write 1 there and start moving left. So as many zeros or as many ones right now may appear, but I will be moving by writing the same symbol onto the tape till I get the symbol X. Now you can see I am moving left. Now the input symbol I got 1. I wrote 1 onto it and moved towards its left. Now I am at state Q4. I got input symbol X. So I wrote X onto it and start moving right. Now first cycle over. For these two one also I need to do the same thing. So I need to process little faster so that we can save some time. So the next input symbol is 1. I have written 1 onto it. The next input symbol is again a 1. I have written 1 onto it. The next input symbol is again a 1. I have written 1 onto it. The next symbol is a blank. I am at state Q3. So in place of that I have written 1. Now I am at state Q4. Now as many zeros or as many ones appears, no issue. I will be writing the same symbol till I reach a symbol. till I get a symbol that is X. Now I got a symbol X. I'm at state Q4. I'll be writing X onto it and start moving right. Now this is a large symbol in this second operand. So same process I'm going to follow here. As many zeros or as many as 1 I'll be getting, I'll be writing the same symbol out there till I reach a blank. So whenever I'll be reaching a blank, I'll be writing 1 onto it and then start moving left. How long I'll be moving left? Till I get a symbol that is X. So now I got a symbol X. Now whenever I am getting a symbol X, I'll be writing X onto it and move right. Now the input symbol I got is a. So whenever I am getting 0, I'll be writing 0 onto it and start moving left. Whatever 1 I have converted to X, to all the X I need to revert it back to 1. So in place of X, I wrote 1, the second one also I wrote 1, the third one also I wrote 1, the next input symbol is 0, I'll be writing 0 out there, and whenever I'm getting a blank out there, I'll be writing blank and start moving right to find one more element of the first operator. But now I got a 0. I'm at state Q0 and I'm getting a 0. So this path I cannot use. One more path I need to define. On state Q0, if I am getting 0, I'll be writing blank onto the tape and I'll start moving right. Now why I am writing blank is, except for these 6 1, I don't want to keep any other zeros or 1 onto the tape. So as many 0 or 1 I'll be getting, I'll be writing blank in place of that. The first one also got blank, the second one also have written blank, and the third one also I have written blank. Now I am at state Q6 and the input symbol I am getting is 0. When I am getting 0, I will be writing blank onto it and come to the except state by moving right. Now you can see 2 multiplied with 3, I got 6 ones. So this is how I will be doing multiplication with Turing machine. I hope you understood this. If you understood, give me a like and share with your friends. And if you have any kind of doubt, do write in the comment section. In our next video, we are going to talk about few more topics about Turing machine. Till then, take care. Bye.